gonna have to put both brakes on one side. This will not fit over here. Yeah. So one side's gonna have both brakes, which is okay. Got all this adjusted and tied down. This was a pain in the butt to get on because I never did a derailleur, but I get it all tightened down, trying to figure it out. Right now it's on 7th gear, so let's see. There we go. Alright, it's complete, sorta. I didn't get these on because, well, like I said, I'm gonna get the throttle on when I get my engine. My engine's still not here. That's the last thing that I'm waiting on. I got the sprocket, the throttle, and I still need to get a clutch. But other than that, it's pretty much complete. I didn't put on the reflectors. I'm probably going to do it later on, but it's not a real big deal. I just got to adjust the brakes. That one's real loose. I got to redo that one. But other than that, this thing shifts pretty well. Works just fine. It's pretty fun, especially with the 7-speed. I was able to climb up that hill. That's not a big hill. This was a driveway. But in first gear, I was able to do that real easy. My previous bike, I wasn't. You had to really crank down on it. But other than that, it shifts real well. Shifting up is real smooth. Coming down, going down into second gear, first gear, you kind of have to shift it real quick. If you don't, then it's going to kind of stay in between the gears. If you do it real quick, it'll shift just fine. But other than that, that's pretty fun. Still waiting on the engine. It's not in yet, so. But for now, this is pretty much complete. Like I said, I'm not really worried about the reflectors and stuff. I did have some extra hardware that I have no clue where that stuff would go. I didn't get the front fender on because, well, it does come with a screw here. I don't have the screws for those. They sent me these ones. These are the leftover hardware. This is for the bolts on the wheel. This goes on the wheel. I don't know, I might leave those off. Kind of look ugly. This is just a bell. This goes to the right here. Right here. The reflector. These are more reflectors. They're not really important. I'm not going to be riding this at night, but these two bolts go through here, and they're not, well, obviously they're not big enough, and they won't screw in. They're too small. These are the only two bolts I have. I know I didn't, well, I could have used the wrong bolts somewhere, but these are the only two that are left over. So that's why that fender's not on. This is to my sprocket. So yeah, it's pretty much complete. Well, when the engine gets here, I'll make a video about mounting the engine. Hopefully I get it today. Hopefully. It's been delayed. All this stuff I ordered on Amazon or Walmart. The engine I got on Amazon. I'm surprised all this stuff that I got from Walmart came in earlier. But the engine that I ordered from Amazon's coming in late. I thought it would be the other way around. So yeah, I can't move forward with this until I get that engine because I can't figure out where I'm going to mount it. I kind of want to mount it there, but I don't want to lose the basket. That was the whole point of me getting the trike. Oh, and there was another basket that came with this. Yeah, this goes here somehow, but this is another basket. I might mount it, maybe. But yeah, just waiting on the engine. So I'll see you later.